Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It's my boy Josh. Y'all remember him?
You're trying to embarrass me.
Try to embarrass you. Got a GTR, you can't be embarrassed. You embarrass everybody else trying to get one of these things. So what have you done to it since the last video?
So finished off the mirror and the door handle, as you can see.
Do you guys remember that last video? Look at that, look how it turned out, mate.
Just ignore the dead bugs on it.
Yeah, that's what happens when you do 180. But they turn out sick, man. Nice. That's some like 100% clear coat right there.
It's like standing in the sun.
Oh, you got it, mate. Probably wondering what the fuck is that Fiesta doing back there? Well, a tyre shop fucked up my wheel alignment. I just asked for a wheel alignment and they ripped out the inner rod, threaded that fucking inner rod. So they're gonna fix it free of charge and hopefully get my car back tomorrow. Oh man, it's just the wheel alignment and they just had to fuck it up. So I'm gonna get that back. My crank seal's leaking, so I'm gonna take off the fucking cover, the belt, and I have to change that seal. The Walboro fuel pump, I don't know if you guys want to see me do that. Gotta do that shit. What else I gotta do the 33?
1,000 subscribers coming up, so we're gonna burn some tires for you boys.
Oh yeah, we're nearly on 1,000 subs. Right now it's on 997. Time I upload this will probably be 1,000. This isn't the 1,000k sub video. The 1k 1,000 sub video is gonna be fucking mental. Like I'm gonna pop my tires for you guys. Like I'm serious. I'm gonna pop my set of tires just for the 1k subs, and he's gonna
hopefully get some stockies and do some tandem donuts, maybe some burnouts.
Yes, that as well. Tandem donuts. We're gonna fucking launch it. He's gonna do some sick standstills. What you do on Sydney Road? Hey boys, shout out to Sydney Road boys.
Shout out to Sydney Road kebabs. My boys.
We should get a kebab. All right, and he's made a turbo flutter for this. Like he's gone. So we're gonna do that now. All right, check this shit out. So tell him what you did to the RB26, mate.
So I was thinking with a single turbo RB, I don't know, it's like, I hear a lot of people with the single setup like dosing.
Talk up, mate, there's an aeroplane coming by. Where is it? Shut up, dickhead. Look at that, man, it's like...
So, with a single turbo RB, I think it would be just a shame for me to not dose. I don't know, everyone always says, oh, but you're going to wreck the bearing in the turbo or whatever. But I'm running, I think, like 14.5 PSI. I don't think it's going to really cause much drama. So, if you come over here, you can see where the intake comes in. They've got a pipe just under here. And that is a pipe that runs through over to the stock blower valves. So when that waste from the blower valves comes through, it will normally go into the intake, and so then it'll just dull down that noise. Like the stock design is so it doesn't dose, and yeah, it keeps it quiet. So what I did was just remove this and then block that pipe, just like Andrew's dose mod. Just get a piece of tin, duct tape it up, put it back in. Nowhere for that blower valve to go, so it just makes a dose sound and doses for days.
Alright, let's go dose it. Nice!
See you later.
I'm trying to hold the camera like...
It was so unpredictable. I'm like, oh, which way is it going?
You know which way I'm going, boy.
Actually, I haven't drifted this in the dry.
haven't you? It's got the power too.
It definitely has the power. Someone to race.
Yeah. My boy here just had to fill up on fuel for you guys, so remember to give this video a like because this man just put $60 of fuel in his car so we can do some sick shit for you guys because you guys make this fucking happen, so thank you guys very much. We love all of y'all. Look at that golf glove, man. Works as a racing glove, but
I like to pretend I'm a race car driver.
He secretly is.
My one golf glove.
He's the stick. The glove gives it away.
I play golf, I hit it 400 yards and then hit up 400 horsepower, baby.
It's like some Happy Gilmore shit. Tripod again.
Open the passenger window so you can hear the dose against the wall.
For the new subscribers, just remember, this is on a private road. This is owned by our Uncle Bob, Bob's Farm. The original OG subs will know who that is. They want their livestock, but they're all fucking sleeping over the hill somewhere. So don't worry, this is 100% legal.
Yeah.
Legal.
Uncle Bob is the original JDM fan. You know, he's been a lifelong fan of ours. He's happy with us hitting full boost down his private road.
We can do anything we want.
Nice. Like 180, it's like
You gotta love our roads, man.
steering.
Hopefully it captures the Flutter. Someone's left their KFC on the ground.
Accelerate now or?
Go for it, go.
Just give it a rev.
What a sick guy.
It's ruthless, man. It's hilarious.
That's Josh's mate. Fucking, he's got his R31, that turbo flutter's fucking perfect, sir.
It's doesn't have much power. He just put a turbo kit on a stock RB30, so it hasn't been tuned or anything, but it still sounds funny because it doses. So.
It fucking doses so good. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark. I hope you guys can see me. Sorry if the lighting's pretty shit. There is a lot of airplanes around right now. I am standing in the middle of the road waiting for them two to come back. I'm gonna get you guys to fucking check this out. They're gonna fucking dose it right by us, so I wanna go stand somewhere, find a good spot, so they can just go right past us. gonna hear is just BRAP!
Scream the whole time.
Looks like Bob is doing some renovations. It's like being in a spaceship in this car, man. Look at that view, man.
This is my happy place.
This is Bob's farm, everybody. You won't crash into your car.
It's a shame that we don't have the 33.
Oh.
So we could have had 31, 32 and the 33.
You're just talking about how I wish I had the 33 here, and I fucking agree. Could have got some nice shots, but next video.
Yeah, thanks Andrew. Thanks
For
ruining
tire
the
shop.
video.
Shut up, we got the fucking R31 Flutter. Hope you guys fucking love it. Here it comes. But this is gonna be the end of the video, so
Thanks for watching, guys.
like,
As
comment,
usual.
subscribe,
Sorry to
and
interrupt you.
no, go for it, mate.
Sorry, mate. Sorry.
It's your day. I'm just the cameraman today.
That's alright, I'll let you do the thing. Straight onto the dirt.
Go for it.